These are the steps to add text on video in CapCut desktop app. First, let's launch the CapCut app. As the app opens, you can go with create project, but here I have a video I want to experiment with. So let's work with this. I'll click on it. Let's say this video is an instruction on how to complete a particular thing, and I mentioned something here and I want to add text in this place. So the first step you need to take is to click on where you want to add that text on the video clip. All right, though we can adjust this later. So on clicking there, you will see the playhead will appear there. Now let's go and get the text. You will see the text menu item here. Click on it. Then you have default text. All right, and there are text effects. All right, and other options here. But let's focus on default text here. So take your cursor to this default text. Press and hold on the left button of your mouse and drag it and drop it on the timeline. All right, you can see I've dropped that there. If you feel this is too small, you can zoom. So by clicking on this, you can see you have more space for the text, okay, to work on it. Now look at this thing here. You can see the default text. Let's say I want to say apps. I want to type apps that I want to show people these are apps. So I can clean that default text I have there and I will have it as apps, okay, because it's the text I want to have there. But if you take a look, as I added this apps as a text, it's in white background, which is what I don't want to have. I want everybody to see what I'm talking about. So that's what we take us to the text color. All right. If we click here, you can see here white is assigned by default. If we click here, you can click on black. Okay. You can see the text is now visible. Now the text size is here. If you want to increase it, drag this way. If you want to reduce it, drag this way. Okay. Then another thing I want you to pay attention is the font. It's using system font here. If you want a different font, click here and select from the list. Anyone that has this diamond icon is not free because I'm using the free version of CapCut. If you want a different one, click on it and it will be applied with time. You can see that one I clicked on has applied. Now, I can go back to system. Let's use system here. So now, I want to bring your attention to somewhere. When you scroll down on this, okay, we see some preset styles. All right, what this means is it can beautify this text so that it doesn't look casual. So all these are options. By default, is unknown preset style. So if we click on this arrow here, you see more. I like using this most times. So if you click on it, we see that the text has now become much clearer and looks more professional. So it's as simple as that. After that, you can go ahead and export your video. Maybe you are done with what you want to do. So you can export it by clicking on export button and follow the on-screen guide. So with this, I believe you can now easily add text on videos on CapCut. If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you and see you some other time.